Hello everyone, this is Vijay Sri. Today I am explaining Huffman coding in this video. So let us see what is Huffman coding. Huffman coding is one of the variable length coding that we are going to consider in the data transmission. So if we are transmitting some suppose x symbols, say suppose x1, x2 and so on like this some x symbols if you are transmitting. For every symbol will be having the probability. Let us say it as p of x1, p of x2 and so on p of xx. So the sum of all these probabilities should be equal to 1 because all these x symbols are the inputs that we are transmitting through a channel. So the sum of their probability should be equal to 1. Now let us see how we can give a coding for each of these symbols x1 to xx. Let us consider 5 symbols we are transmitting. 5 symbols represented as x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. And their probabilities, let us say the probability of x1 is 0.25. The probability of x2 is 0.2. The probability of x3 is 0.3. The probability of x4 is 0.1 and the probability of x5 is 0.15. Let us see what is the sum of these probabilities. 0.25 plus 0.2, 0.45 plus 0.3, 0.75 plus 0.1, 0.85 plus 0.15. Their sum is equal to 1. Right, now let us see how we can go for the Huffman coding. While going for this Huffman coding, these symbols you have to arrange in descending order. So the descending order means here first we are going to get x3 whose probability is 0.3, then x2 whose probability is 0.25 and then x1 whose probability is 0.25, then x2 whose probability is 0.2 and then x5 whose probability is 0.15 and then x4 whose probability is 0.1. After writing these codes in descending order, now we have to add the probabilities of the last two symbols so that we get the probability 0.25. So in the next subsequent stage, if the probability is 0.25, that what we have got here is greater than this x 0.2, then we have to write this probability below this 0.25 because both are same. Like we can choose 0.25 at the bottom of this x1 so that the top order is 0.3, 0.25 and the sum of these probabilities which is equal to 0.25 occupies the third place and the next probability is 0.2. Now in the second stage, again if we add the list two probabilities, their sum is 0.45 which is greater than all these probabilities. So we have to write this probability at the topmost and we say that it is 0.45 next 0.3 and then 0.25. Now adding the least two probabilities 0.25 and 0.3, their sum is 0.55 and taking 0.45 here. Now this is the last stage and we have to assign the codes 0 and 1 to this. So let us assign 0 to the top code and 1 to the bottom code in all the cases. So in all the subsequent cases we are assigning 0 to the top probability and 1 to the bottom probability. Now how to give the coding here? Let us see. For 0.55 is a contribution of 0.3 and 0.25, where 0.3 is the symbol for x3. So the code for x3 we can take it as in the reverse direction, that is from 0 and 0. So for x3 the code is 00. Next, if you take for x1, that is 0.25, so 0.25 is still like 0.25 here, but it has contributed to this 0.55, whereas the code for 0.255 is 0, and then the next code given to this 0.25 is 1. So the code is 01 for x1. Next, if you take for 0.2, this 0.2 remains to be 0.2 till here, but here these two have contributed to 0.45, where the code for 0.45 is 1. So this 1 we give first, then due to 0.45, now that is due to 0.2, so this one is the second bit of